Belt conveyor, used for conveying films, optionally equipped with a magnetic separator or a metal detector. Pre-shredder, reduces material size and improves washing efficiency. Magnetic separator, removes metal impurities. Sand remover, removes sand and debris, protecting the blades of the downstream crusher. Plastic crusher, wet crushing with simultaneous washing and cooling. Friction washer and washer tank, multi-stage, deep washing.